So this is question 4 from the June 2018 paper 1 for AQA maths. So we're going to look at this question because it's to do with binomial expansion. So in part A, it's asking us to find the first three terms in the expansion of 1 minus 3x to the power of 4 in ascending powers of x. So we can either use Pascal's triangle for this, or if you've got a graphical calculator or a scientific calculator, you should have the NCR button on there. So again, you're more than welcome to use that. You should also have the formula booklet for A-level maths, where the general formula for binomial expansion is given. So you'll get given this in the exam. So what we're going to do is we are going to start off by doing a to the n. Now, in this case, a is 1, b is minus 3x, and n is 4, so n is the power. So a to the n is simply just 1 to the power of 4, okay? And we know that's 1, so we can simplify that afterwards. And we're going to drop that to 1 to the power of 3, and then bring in the next term, so minus 3x, and that's always to the power of 1. So notice that these two have to add to make n, so 3 and 1 make 4, and that will be the same across our expansion. And then we can use our NCR button. So this is the first term. So in this case, n again is 4, and then we're choosing r would be 1. So NCR, so 4C1 in this case, is simply just going to be 4. So we're multiplying everything by 4. So that is the second term. Now the third term, again, a, and we're dropping the power again, so it's squared. And then we're bringing b in and up in the power. Again, 2 add 2 gives us 4. So just check that when you're doing it. And then we can use our NCR button again, but this time we're doing 4C2. Now 4C2 is 6. So we've got our three terms there, and we're just going to expand them out to work out in a simpler form. So 1 to the power of 4 is 1, plus 1 to the power of 3 is also 1. And then we've got minus 3x times 4. So that's just going to be, let's change that, because it's going to be minus 12x. So that's the second term. Then the third term is 1 squared is 1, minus 3x squared, so that's going to be 9x squared, times 6 is going to be plus 54x squared. So what you've done is you found the first three terms in this expansion by using the general formula for binomial expansion. So for part B, it's saying using your expansion, approximate 0.994 to the power of 4 to 6 decimal places. So what you should be able to notice is the only difference between 4a and 4b is that 1 minus 3x is now 0.994. So what we can do is we can actually find out what x is. So solving for x here should give us 0.002. Now we know that x is 0.002, we can use our answer, so our expansion from part A, and substitute in 0.002. So we've got 1 minus 12 times 0.002 plus 54, 0.002 squared. And when we put that in our calculator, we should get the answer 0.976216 to 6 decimal places.